你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the introduction to Chinese pronunciation, the final A. When you see the English letter EI in Pinyin, the pronunciation is A. It's close to the EI in the English word eight. Say A. When you pronounce the Mandarin Chinese A sound, the lips are spread and the mouth is half opened. Say A. Try to repeat the English letter A and E really fast, like this. A, E, A, E, A, E, A, E, A. E. Let's say A. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. A, 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 A. Pronunciation exercise for A sound. Let's combine the initial B, the final A, and the high pitch first tone all together. B, A, B. Repeat after me. B, A, B. B, B, B. B is cup in Chinese. Let's combine the initial H, the final A, and the high pitch first tone all together. H, A, hey. Repeat after me. H, A, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey is color black in Chinese. Question. When you see EI in Pinyin, how would you pronounce it? The answer is A. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.